Hi everybody, it's Nico, Phillips, Chevrolet in Frankfort, Illinois. We're here with a buddy of mine, Jason O'Brien. Congratulations, buddy.
Thank you very much.
Bought many cars from us. Long-time loyal client of ours. He got a beautiful 2015 Cruze. Jay, how was your experience today? How did you do?
Fantastic.
Good.
I can't say enough about you guys here. Been coming here, like you said, for, I don't know, probably ever since I was buying cars. I just always have had a good experience here, so you guys really take care of me. Appreciate that.
We appreciate you keep buying over here from us and stuff. And that's why we're #1, guys.
Absolutely.
Like this. Thank you, buddy. Come visit me over here at Phillips Chevrolet.
You got it.